Now that is a quality plastic part.
Plastic does it.
Because plastic does it.
Because plastic does it.
And the only way you're going to get a quality injection molded part is by having a company that has the right people, the right equipment, and the right materials. But we at PDI go one step further because we're your family and we're going to partner with you with our family.
Plastic injection molding at PDI. And that's why plastic does it. We have a way for you to save money and make your products better.
Because this is a partnership. We excel when you excel.
And we know that our competition have exactly the same machines as us, the same kind of equipment, but what they don't have people like we do.
We have 21 machines that we have run from 35 ton to 385 ton capacity.
We have 2 buildings. We have lights out capacity now. We have 50 employees.
Here at PDI, we don't just injection mold parts, we make complete products. With no secondaries needed afterwards, it leaves this machine, it goes into the box and direct to the customer.
If we can set a job up so it can run lights out, absolutely, it brings the price down.
When you think of PDI, think of insert molding, think of overmolding, think of PEM insert molding.
We have 2 types of machine with a vertical and horizontal clamp, so the inserts are not falling out of the mold.
See this thread? Most injection molders would have molded as a blind hole and tapped it as a secondary operation. With the use of digitally controlled servo motors, we're able to mold that in the press. Behind me is a groove cutting machine. We had this custom made just for this job. This goes away from the machine as a finished product and has eliminated 3 other secondary operations the way they were molding this in the past.
We can make 10, 20, or 100 parts. We do not only concentrate on a long production job.
We are extremely proud to be here making products in the USA.
All of our facilities are climate controlled. We have air conditioning. We monitor our humidity. We have, the same temperature year round.
It not only provides stability for the parts as far as expansion and contraction, but it really makes for happy teammates.
And when it comes to quality, we're second to none here at PDI. We like to keep our quality defects below the national standard, which is 1.2. We are generally in the 0.5, 0.6 range. And we are also registered with ITAR and UL, and we are compliant with REACH and RoHS.
Over here we have a 200-ton Nagata, all electric. The electric machines are far more efficient. It has the capability for core pull. It has a runner picker on top of it.
One of our stronger points is the quick responsiveness to any time a customer calls, whether it's to, oh my gosh, we're almost out of parts, we need parts. We have a problem, that we need you to help us work through. We communicate quickly.
Every injection molding company, if they're going to be respectable and be able to take care of your needs with your molds, it's imperative that they have a fully staffed, highly qualified tool room.
What we also offer to our customers, it's a full assembly.
What you're going to see here is we have plenty of machines, plenty of horsepower, plenty of capability. We can run any job necessary.
So let our experience save you money, because we do all the work.
Because plastic does it.
Because plastic does it.
The same quality parts every time.